Hello everyone, just a update on this little Fiesta. Yeah, it's all done, engine's in. I'm literally just sitting outside the M.O.T station now, so we can get a M.O.T done on it. Really pleased with how it come out. I did say that it was having a recon engine fitted, and in fact it's not actually, it wasn't actually a recon engine. Basically what we've done, it was a engine that had come out of a 17 plate car, low mileage. I believe it done about 30,000 miles. But what I did do is, before they actually put the engine in, I insisted that they fitted a cam belt, water pump, and obviously oil filter, plugs, and new oil. To be honest with you, I had to pay a little bit extra, but it was worth it because it is a good little car, you know, and I'm really pleased about it's come out. And as I say, I know this car. The lady, or the young girl that bought the car from brand new, I actually know her husband very, very well. I've known him since he was a kid, so and he sort of kind of contacted me and said, are you interested in the car? So obviously I've still done all the checks on the car. I checked, you know, HPI'd it and all the other bits and pieces, but as I said, you know, everything he said about the car, it's all come back. It's a genuine little car. So absolutely cracking little drive. So I'm very happy with it. So anyway, but as I say, I'm outside the M.O.T station now, and what I'll do is, from a distance, we'll just do a little video. Well, probably actually, I'll continue this video on. What I'll do is I'll pause it now, and then once he's got it inside, I know these guys pretty well. I've sort of coming here for years anyway, so we'll do a little walk around. Obviously I don't know if he'll let me do it while he's MOT in it, but we'll do a little walk around on the outside. I've given it a good wash, the wash and whack, like it's the wash and whack stuff I use. It's pretty good, and I'll give it a chamois down, because what I wanted to do was, I want to get the car nice and clean, because I am going to drop it off at the painters, or I'm going to drop it down to the painters for him to have a look, and he's going to do a bit of paint work on it. But if it's all washed down in that, he can see exactly what it is, and then once he starts the job, he can't ring me up later and go, oh, it's a bit extra, it's a bit more and all that. So, but yeah, he's a pretty decent fella anyway. So, but anyway, I'll stop the video now, and then I'll sort of pick it back up once it's back in, and hopefully, with a bit of luck, while he's doing an MOT on it, we can have a little walk round, and then you can have a proper little look at the car, yeah? So, anyway, look, thanks for watching. As I said, I ain't that good at all this, but as I said in the previous videos, I honestly love cars. I love working on cars. It's just like a little passion, really. You're gonna have to excuse this. Look, I'm on another phone. The other phone's corrupted all my files, and now I can't download anything. So, and I've lost loads and loads and loads of videos and footage and content. I've lost loads of it. So, and I'm pretty gutted over that. But it just won't download. So, waffling on again. But I do appreciate. Look, I appreciate you actually taking the time to have a look. So, listen, I don't care what comments you give. As I said, I don't mind interacting with people, and it's good fun. It's just fun for me, you know. That's all it is. I say I love my cars. It keeps me sane in this crazy world we're in at the moment. So if you can chuck us a like, brilliant. If you can chuck me a subscribe, fantastic. The comment, more than happy. Don't care how they come. Totally like. Any advice you can offer me, please feel free to do so, because like I said, it's like starting all over again. up to yet, I ain't lost no money. So yeah, that's a plus point, isn't it? But yeah, I don't. To be fair, I don't really want to. I don't want to really offer up rough old cars and that, and make out there saying they're not. So if I've said it before and all, if I can't present a genuine, decent little car that I've genuinely checked over and made to my to the best of my ability and in my opinion is in good working order, then I wouldn't even bother trying to. I wouldn't even put any content up on it. It's just not worth it. So anyway, look, thanks for watching, and we'll just see how this car goes through the MOT, and as I say, we might be able to get him to let us do a little cheeky video while he's doing it. Speak to you soon, take care. So, we're in the test station, just waiting for Charlie, because he's booked another car in front of me, which is what Charlie normally does. But anyway, I thought you might be interested in this little thing they're working on, because they do love a fast car down here, and they've built some really fast cars here. A lot of classic stuff and all, they do it. So Charlie, it's an ST in it. Yeah. What's the brake on this one, mate? Needs an ECU, right, okay, so it needs an ECU. Oh yeah, I remember them saying something about that before. They got to get some sort of ECU for it. But yeah. Well, looks fast, doesn't it? It's not that I know much about these cars, so I was an RS Turbo man and an XR3i man. That's how long ago I was messing about in motors. But anyway, I can guarantee you by the time they finish with it, it will be like a rocket. So I'm gonna try and sort of keep registration numbers off, because I'm in somebody else's garage. But we're down the garage, we're waiting for our MOT. So we're just going to wait for that. Don't know whether they've got anything. Normally they've got another little storage place out the back where they do a lot of classic stuff. So, but I don't know if you'll let me have a little look in there in a minute. But I'll tell you, they do some lovely cars. I know they had a two-door Sierra down here, and they put a V8 in it, and that was seriously rapid. And they've also just done a Mark 1 Escort Estate. The owner's lad, he's only a young lad, very good mechanic. But what he done, he put a ZeTec engine in it, in this Mark 1 Escort. It's a Mark 1 Escort Estate, but I tell you, it looked brilliant when he finished it. He painted it all and that. So, but yeah, this one looks in good nick anyway, doesn't it? It's quite nice. It's half leather. But anyway, hopefully Charlie will let me do a little walk around on the Fiesta in a minute. So anyway, we'll stop it now, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Here we go. So we'll give her a wash down. We've got repair on this front wing. There's a little dent here, and somewhere on here is a dent, just here. That'll be sprayed and done. This side, obviously, supermarket sweep on the side of the door there, and there's a little scuff down here. I mean, she looks like she's been on holiday in Beirut, but it will be a really nice car when it's all done. I've got to sort out the tyre pressure sensor. Apparently, don't know what it is, but I'll get Charlie to have a look at it. He'll sort that out before he actually does an MOT on it. You'll probably fail it on that otherwise. So yeah, but she's looking alright. Just to say, it's definitely an improvement already since I picked it up. And yeah, hopefully I'll pass it. Just a bit worried about that tyre pressure on there now though. But it'll be something stupid because I had two tyres fitted on it yesterday. So I think it's probably something to do with that. So yeah, these two front tyres, but it's pretty mad really because the bodywork's battered. Well, not battered, but you know, it's got a few scuffs and marks around it. But the wheels are in really good nick, which is a bit strange, isn't it? Because they're not smashed to pieces. They don't need refurbing or anything. So they're in really good nick. All of them. So yeah, it's a strange one, isn't it? But here we are. Anyway, we'll just wait for him to put it through his paces, and then we'll actually see what the outcome is. There's fingers crossed she goes through all right. There's no reason why it shouldn't. It actually hadn't been drove for the best part of a year. It was just sitting on the young girl's drive. So it's pretty much stood on the driveway and run the M.O.T out on it. So yeah, I mean obviously I'm sure it will probably find maybe one or two advisories on it. Hopefully not though. But say it again, there should be no reason why it should have any, because it was like I say, it literally stood in the driveway for the best part of the year and run the M.O.T out. So anyway, let's see what happens, and I'll get back to you in a minute. So yeah, she passed her M.O.T. Yeah, didn't do too bad. Right, just quickly, the tyre pressure sensing was on it, come up on it, and basically what happened is I've had a couple of tyres on, and it just needed resetting. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. This is a Focus, obviously. Sorry, Fiesta, 64 plate, 1.2 ZeTec. So, right, so some of them are on, you can reset or get into the menu via this button on the steering wheel. But on this particular model, you do it via the radio. So first you need to go to is menu, okay, and then once you push menu, I don't know if you can see it on there, but it gives you different options on there, okay. So like obviously you can sync your phone and you know, bits and pieces. So what you need to do then is push the down button, up, okay, to vehicle settings, and then push OK. Alright, and then that gives you so we've got on there, what we've got: traction control, assist, lane change, ambient lighting, chimes, and all the other bits. So basically it will ask you, or it will tell you that you can well, there you go, we're on tyre monitor there, and basically all you do is just push the OK button and then just reset it, and then it's literally, that's it. And then obviously you can go through the menu. So we got, what I say, we got hill assist, lane change, I'm not sure about that, flash once, I'd say flash 3 times actually, yeah. So then we can go back, ambient lighting, we'll have that on, hill start assist's on, tyre monitor's on, traction controls on. Let's have a look. We've got various chimes, info chimes and warning chimes are on. And that, I think, is about it on this particular model. But there is a lot you can actually do on these motors. So, and then obviously you just, that'll take you back, and then obviously you sync applications, which will be your phone, sync settings, full eco mode, gear shift, current score, I don't know what that means, anticipation, speed, yeah, it's okay. We can, there's a few things you can do on here anyway. So, but what I thought I'd do is I'll just we've even got a system check on this one. Let's have a look, see if there's any. All systems normal. Right, that's good, isn't it? So, okay, and then obviously, like I say, you can go through all bits and pieces on here. So, just to recap, set the tyre pressure, menu, down button here will take you to vehicle settings, okay, and then so on and so on. So basically it's really straightforward. But I thought I'd put that in the last bit of the video because that warning light was up when I took it for an MOT, and luckily, to be honest with you, before I could even get the guy who was doing the MOT to have a quick look, I YouTubed it. It took me 2 minutes to find it. So yeah, anyway, so she's through the MOT, and yeah, onwards and upwards. Thanks for watching. Obviously, look, you know, like I've said before, if you can give us a like, be great. If you can give us a subscribe, fantastic. Any comments, I welcome them. Any advice, definitely well accepted. And most of all, please stay safe. It's a crazy old world out here at the moment. So anyway, we're all going to get through it. We're all going to be fine, don't worry. Take care. Speak to you soon.